Morning everybody, it's Monday morning. Buying two houses today. This is one of them. It's got this awesome standalone shop over here. I've never been in this house, so literally just unlocked the door, slid it open. They're at closing right now, so I've got the keys and let's go in and take a look. All right, have not ever been in here. Hello. Okay, well, they left us a little bit of a mess. This gentleman had I think double bypass surgery. Hello. And so, yeah, it left us a little bit of a mess, but it's all right. Okay, so this garage door was left open, and now we see why. They've got cats in here or something. I gotta get these cats out of here and get this garage closed so that we don't have people trying to break in. Dime cuáles palabras no existen en español.
En español, parqueadero.
¿Qué es parqueadero?
Estacionamiento. Breca.
¿Qué es eso?
Freno. Rufero.
Rufero. ¿Qué hace eso?
El que hace los pechos.
What? ¿Qué más tienes? ¿Tienes otros? Yo rufo, Héctor. Yo rufo, tú rufas, él rufa.
Vosotros rufáis.
Sí, es humo. Pero mira, lo que quiero, me gusta este color de azul, está bonito. Quiero que hagas un color match ahí y lo vamos a pintar todo este azul. ¿Qué piensas?
¿Lo vamos a machear?
Yeah, machear.
¿Machear toda la casa?
Héctor, ¿cómo se llama esto?
Se llama rejilla.
No, esto aquí, man, esto aquí.
Ah, una craqueada.
¿Una qué? ¿Una craqueada?
¿Cómo se llama esto en inglés?
It's a crack, man. It's a crack.
Y la gente que fuma crack.
Crackheads. Man, we're gonna have to burn the house now.
Él es el dueño.
¿Son tuyos?
¿Los míos?
Agárrelo. Póngaselo, mídaselo.
Oh, you're looking good. Pues, ¿qué falta ahí, Dani?
Nos falta la ploga.
La ploga. ¿Qué? What?
Ploga.
La ploga, okay. Obviously, we're not going to try and match that blue color, but we're going to do agreeable gray on the walls like usual. They've got all the floors pulled out. Really, this house is in excellent shape compared to a lot of the houses we buy. The baseboards are in great shape. Just has a light smoke smell. And then this tub is pretty dirty, but we might be able to get past that with a acid etch and a epoxy spray. The guys have already gotten most of the lighting ripped out. They usually leave a little bit to keep working. We've got this really wonderful flower print on the walls here. We'll have to get that off and textured. But in general, like this kitchen is in great condition. It's just got some staining on there. So we usually paint all these kitchen walls like a Dorian gray. So we'll get that all painted up. This sink even looks pretty usable, right? So we'll probably keep these countertops, the sink, epoxy spray the countertops, get rid of the stove. I hate these burners like this. I don't know why, I just don't like how they get all dirty. So I feel like our backyard neighbor might be a roofer or a hoarder. Maybe he's a granite guy, but I feel like he's a roofer. All the hipsters trying to be cool, but the Hispanics down here on the south side have been doing hipster stuff before it was hipster. Look at that. That's a pallet fence. Hi, doggo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, cutie pie. Hi. Come here. Good doggo. Oh, okay. Hi. Oh, it's your cutie pie. Hey. The main issue with the exterior on this one is some rotting on this siding on that bottom row there. You can see it's probably the worst right here. But the good part is, whoever put the siding on used this plastic. I'm actually not sure if that's good. They should have used Tyvek. I'm not sure if this is gonna let the house freeze, but at least they used it. And we're pretty sure that the woodwork underneath that plastic should be in good condition and not have any significant wood rot. So that's actually good for us in this case.
Cuando eras niño.
Puede ser algunos 30 años atrás.
Ya.
Cuando-
Se
sí.
nota Guadalajara ahí.
En Guadalajara. Sabes que estuve a punto de entrar a las fuerzas básicas del Atlas.
¿Ya?
Sí, pero no hubo presupuesto.
The guys found this stack of papers here, and it's a mission system operations from 1982. Where'd that go? For the flight manual and the E3A AWACS, I guess, right? And it's all in here. Everything. Systems, operations, all from 1982. I wonder if any of this stuff is still current.
A lo mejor lo usó Amado Carrillo.
Our second good find of the day. We've got ninja weapons, deadly weapons of ninja fighting. Steps to invisibility. Ninja, mysteries and the deadly weapons of the ninja. Oh man, this is an instruction book, guys. I'm gonna read this book and y'all aren't even gonna see me in my videos anymore. I'm gonna be invisible. I particularly am disturbed by this one. I read the book, The Cloak of Invisibility is working. I mean, don't.
¡Ey!
Hey man, Marco, you're not supposed to drag a dog like that on a leash. No, there's no pets like that, man. You have to teach the dog. You have to walk the dog and heel. You can't just drag the dog around like that. That's inhumane. What do you?
¿Cómo duele el saber que ya te he perdido? El salvarte del pasado y del olvido. ¿Cómo duele? Yo lo sé.